Hey, how's it going? It's Samuel from SamuelsIamReviews.com and welcome to my Scribble review. So I've actually had review access to Scribble for the past couple of weeks, and because of that I've been able to go through it in its entirety. I've had a lot of time to play around with it, and now I'm in a position to give you a full honest review of Scribble. Okay, so I'm going to be going through the entire members area, showing you exactly what you're going to get in this software, and then I'm going to be showing you the sales page and basically showing what they're basically talking about. And finally, I'm going to be showing you my custom bonuses that I've created especially for Scribble. And these bonuses make Scribble a much better purchase. They add a lot of value to Scribble and also fill in some gaps that I thought that the main software was missing. Okay, so all of this stuff is going to be coming up right after this video intro. Alright, so we're going to start off with my custom bonuses that I've created specifically for Scribble. So if you're here for the bonuses, we're going to start off with that, and then we'll get into the members area where I show you a full demo and basically talk about what Scribble is, okay? Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube at any time, click the link in the video description right down below, and you'll get taken to my blog review where you'll be able to watch this video again, but then also you'll be able to click on any of these active links, which will take you to the actual sales page if you decide to pick up Scribble, okay? And now let's go on to my custom bonuses. I do want to say that I'm only giving away 30 bonus packs for this one, for the Scribble, so it's limited to 30 people, and you can see how many bonus packs are available just by going on top of any of the active links. You'll see right now it says it's 30 bonus bundles are available because the offer hasn't gone live yet, but once it does go live, you'll see how many are left, and with that you'll know. And if it says no more bonuses available, that means my bonus package is out, and you'll still be able to pick up Scribble but not my bonuses, okay? So let's get on to my must-have bonus package for Scribble. So the first bonus I'm offering is a Scribble software walkthrough, okay? So Scribble is a really big software app. It does a lot of different things. One of the highlights that this app gives you is that it provides an amazing drag and drop builder for these reports. So it's kind of like ClickFunnels, or you know, those really expensive builders. That's kind of the layout that I found this one was kind of like, and there's a lot of different options and functionalities for, you know, creating your ebooks and reports, but I did not find any step-by-step tutorials that explained all of these features in the builder inside the members area. There was a brief training, but nothing in-depth showing you each of the, you know, functionalities, and that's why I wanted to create this custom bonus where I've made a video walking you through the entire step of creating a report or ebook, and I also show you the various features of the builder just so you get an idea of them, and this will ensure that you know exactly how to use this software from the starting point. There's no learning curve, and it'll be a huge time saver as opposed to learning the ins and out of this software yourself. Okay, I think this is a super powerful bonus, and that's going to be bonus number 1. Now bonus number 2 is 2 ways to make money with the Scribble software. So with Scribble, you only get the software that makes seamless reports and ebooks for you. However, what if you don't know what to do with these ebooks once you make them, right? So a lot of newbies will realize this once they're on the inside. So in my custom bonus number 2, I will show you 2 proven ways to make money using the Scribble software, okay? You'll be able to monetize these reports and ebooks and make really good money with them, okay? Both methods work phenomenally and can be used to build up a solid income leveraging this software app, okay? So that's bonus number 2. Now bonus number 3 is 10 additional Scribble templates. So with Scribble, you get 50 templates which you can take and use if you don't want to start from scratch. But with bonus number 3, I've added 10 additional templates for Scribble, and these are not going to be available anywhere else. These are only available once you pick up this bonus, okay? Now bonus number 4 is how to build a buyer's email list with Scribble. So as you know, a buyer's email list is basically highly engaged subscribers that you won't find anywhere else unless they, you know, buy something in your niche. So they're proven to, like, you know, be customers as opposed to just, you know, freebie seekers. So I'm going to show you a super powerful strategy that no one else will reveal to you on how to get buyers, how to build up a buyer's list with Scribble. Okay, now bonus number 5 is ebook profit formula, and this is the full course showing you how to profit big with ebooks and online reports. So you're gonna get a full another course just for picking up Scribble through this blog post, and that's gonna be bonus number 5. Okay, now bonus number 6 is how to make $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. Okay, this is a very powerful case studies. I got rights to give away this to my blog readers, And in this case study, you know, Brendan Mace, who's one of the top marketers in the industry right now, he's going to show you how he made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. And it's a video, you'll be able to watch it. It's an amazing fast cash technique. And you can, anyone could really do it at any time. It does not require any technical skills or anything like that. It's a really cool video that you should take a look at, and you're going to get that as a bonus. Now, bonus number 7 is 10K a month online case study. Now, this is a case study in which you'll learn how to make $10,000 a month online. We're using anything. It's more like a idea of how to scale things. It's a really powerful case study and like kind of a video, and it's gonna help you, you know, with an additional income stream along with Scribble. So those are my 7 bonuses that are gonna be offered. This is gonna be offered This is gonna be delivered automatically once you pick up Scribble through this blog post. It will be in your JVZoo backend right under your product access. Okay, so that's something you'll be able to pick up if you pick up Scribble through this blog post. Okay, now let's get on to the demo of Scribble. I'll show you the inside and exactly how this whole software works. Okay, so now we're on the inside of the actual Scribble software. As you can see here, it's very well made. They've had a 6-figure budget for this software, and basically what Scribble is that it allows you to create ebooks and reports with just a few clicks of the mouse, and you don't have to write any content yourself. So there's a lot of different things that this can do, but basically if you know how to create, if you have to, you know, create an ebook or report right now online, you have to go through the process of, you know, writing the report in a Google Doc or a Word document. Then you have to go ahead and format it all. Then you have to, you know, go get an e-cover design. Then you have to get that all together and put it into a PDF and do all that hard work. But Scribble aims to, you know, solve all of those problems and make it all in one place and let the software do it all for you. Okay, so that's what is basically going on with Scribble. So as you can see here, there's going to be a welcome video first, and then you go on to the projects. So I'm just going to go to the projects here. It's just loading here. And as you can see, it says no projects created, so we're just going to create a new project. And now from default, Scribble gives you 50 different templates to use. Now with my bonus number 3, you're going to get 10 additional templates, so you'll get 60. But here are the 50 default ones. As you can see, they're pretty good looking. They did a really good job here with the design, the whole interface of the software. Everything works really good. It's not some cheap like one, you know, just launch time working type of software. This is something long term. As you can see, I'm just going to use this one here for the purpose of this example. So let's hit use, and I'm going to have to move my video here to the side, and let's just call this email marketing tips. Let's hit next. Now there's actually 4 options you have for the content. Okay, so you can first off find any URL. So let's say you have a blog post that you've written, you want to turn that into a report. So you can just get the URL of your blog post, throw that in there, and the software will basically scrape out all the content from that blog post, put it into a report, format it for you, and then you have that as a report. That's pretty powerful. The second option is the most obvious one, where you would write the report yourself from scratch. That's fine as well. The third option is to copy paste manually, so that's pretty obvious. Now the fourth option is to upload it you know, from a Word document or a text file. So if you already have it written on a Word document, you want to put it on Scribble and get it all formatted, you can do that as well. And the fifth option is what's something that I really like as well, is they actually have a collection, a depository of a lot of different loads of different articles and just all the niches out there, and you can basically just pull any of these reports and use them as your own reports. Now that's what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video, because I want to do this really quickly. So let's go with start from article collection. So let's go there, and again I'm going to have to move myself. Let's hit next. Now as you can see, there's over 25 videos on AdSense, 484 videos on Acne, 491 reports on articles on advertising, affiliate marketing. Now we had email marketing, so let's look if they have something on email marketing. We'll just have to go down to the E, and as you can see, there's just insane amounts of articles here for covering all the different niches. Let's go to E, and here we are. Let's find email marketing. So eZine marketing, not eZine, we're looking for email marketing. And as you can see, we have 179 different articles on email marketing. That's amazing. So let's click on this, and then let's go and find a good article that we can use. Email courses in order Okay, that's really cool. 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing. Let's use that for this example and hit finish. Now look, it's preparing your content and it's gonna basically make the whole thing for you, which is pretty powerful. So it's just loading up here. Now my internet's also pretty slow, so it may take a little more time right now. And now you have an option to, make your e-cover, so that's pretty cool as well. Now I'm gonna just try to do something really quickly here, and it automatically generates the title of the report on the e-cover, but then of course you're gonna have to format it. And this is what I mean by the page builder that they have included. So as you can see here, what was the article name again? Let's just scroll down here and see that. 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing. Okay, sounds good. Let's just write that in here. 5 surefire tips for, and let's click on this little gear icon here and make the font size a bit smaller. Okay, and let's add a bit of a margin so it's centralized. So I've been playing around this for a while, so I know how to use this inside out now, but that's exactly what I mean. I want to show you guys how to use this awesome builder yourself as well. So 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing. So let's do effective email marketing. Of course you guys can make this look much nicer. I'm just trying to do this as fast as I can. Don't want to bore you guys. So let's just make this smaller. There we go. And let's centralize this. There we go, and actually just make it a bit more smaller so it kind of fits in there. Boom. So we have a pretty nice looking email marketing that actually has our exact title in there all ready to go. So 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing. Let's put the author name in here, Samuel Chima. Let's actually move that up a bit. So now there's padding options here as well. Try to do this as fast as possible. Oh, I see. You gotta click this one, go to the padding options, and there we go. Okay, so and we're done. Look at that. So that's basically done. Now we can do the same for this. So basically we're using this easy builder. You can basically design and create a table of contents, and it's going to just generate all that stuff for you, which is pretty powerful. Now the padding is a bit higher on this one as well, so I'll just fix that as well. I think it's using this one here. So okay, now settings, padding top. There we go, table of contents. Now of course what you would have to do next, because this isn't the main idea is that you would probably write it on your own, but if you want to use an article like this, it'll take a couple of minutes to just set up the table of contents to kind of format the article. But as you can see, the table of contents just says the title for now, but of course you can split it up and write it on your own. It's very easy to use this. As you can see, you can just duplicate this and just move it around. Have some spacing in between and set up the table of contents, and as you can see underneath, you have your whole article all written for you. Super easy. So 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing, and you can actually do different stuff. Like as you can see, the number 1, I would probably want this to be a big bolder and a bit bigger. So what we can do there is just go to the text paragraph settings. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and let's add another one here. Let's add a headline. As you can see, it's very easy to do. Now let's go ahead and copy this right over here. There we go. Let's make the font size about 18. There we go. Bold it, and we can drop that right where we want to, up there. So what we would have to do for that is just copy this part, create another paragraph, and then there'll be spacing in between. You can just throw this one right over there. So that's what I would basically do there as well. Cut this, copy all this, okay, and add another one. Let's add a paragraph. There we go, text block, and paste that down there. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, and then basically you would just do your whole report exactly how you would want to do it, but this allows you to format it all nicely. And then as you can see, there's a couple of pages of that report, and at the end there's like a thank you, we welcome your feedback kind of thing. You don't have to add that, but the whole point is it makes that whole process really easy. And then all you have to do after you're done, making your whole PDF, you would just hit generate ebook. Okay, and then there's two options. You can either let it be hosted on the Scribble server, or you can download it as a PDF and host it yourself somewhere, or if you want to send it to somebody. So as you can see, download as a PDF, that's an option there as well, and it's been downloaded. Or you can just click on a new tab, and as you can see, look at this. It's a whole e-cover, not an e-cover, a whole ebook created in literally a couple of minutes, and I didn't even do much work right now. And this is while I'm trying to record a video at the same time and doing all that stuff. So that's why I think this is a super powerful software. Ebooks and reports are just blowing up nowadays, especially in the info product business and just in general email marketing. You want to send out some good content to your subscribers. You want to even build a list. You want to get a lead magnet. You'll need to create a report or an ebook. And as you can see, this makes the whole process super simple. It has it all in the whole PDF format, and we're done. We could just use this link and give it to our subscribers, give it to somebody that we want to give it to, do anything with it. Or you can also download it, as you can see, and host it yourself if you want to do that as well. So that's the whole power of Scribble in a nutshell. There are some additional functionality options. As you can see here, I'll just exit this now, like generating an 3D e-cover. So that's probably something that you'll need as well, but that is an upgrade option. So and then there's also an option for Flipbook, so you can actually view your ebook in a Flipbook way. So if there's a link, you can give it to your whoever you want to show your ebook to, and they can actually flip through pages online to make it much more interactive, as opposed to reading a PDF. That's some options that they have as well. And then there's a lot of other stuff. I'll show you with the upgrade options in a second. Of course, in the review copy, you get all of the things open for you. But as you can see here, the 3D e-covers, let me just show you this really quickly. As you can see, I was playing around with an affiliate marketing one first, but let's create a new 3D cover from an existing project. Let's save the changes. Let's call it email marketing. Okay, start from scratch. No, existing product. And of course, we just created that 5 surefire tips for effective email marketing. So let's use this one. And then you have a couple of different options for 3D e-covers that you can use within the software, and then it creates that for as well if you want to have a 3D look for your whole PDF. So it's just going to allow you to edit your PDF again if you want to, but I'm just going to hit finalize. So generate 3D cover. Let's see, this one looks pretty nice. It's a short report, so let's just pick this one here for the purpose of showing you guys. So let's just click on this. And boom, look at that. So we have a 3D e-cover created in just minutes. And this is an upgrade option, so it's not going to be available in the front end. The front end gives you everything I've showed you up till this point. The templates, the whole creator and everything. The 3D e-cover thing is a upsell, so it's an upgrade option. I'll be talking about that in just a minute, but it's something pretty cool as well. There's a lot of different mockups that you can choose from, and it's a simple PNG download after that, so it's really simple. Okay, so now I just want to show you some the sales page. So this is where you're gonna go once you click on any of the active links on my blog review. So you want to click on any of these active links, and then you'll get taken to the sales page. And here, as you can see, it says instantly create the #1 bestseller ebooks and reports in minutes without writing a single word. So as I showed you, I didn't write a single word. We just pulled one from one of their depositories. So you could write it yourself. I would probably do that when I'm actually going to be using this software myself. But of course, if you just want to create some content for your subscribers or just get something out there, you don't want to write something on your own, you can just pull up one of the articles for maybe affiliate marketing, email marketing, whatever your niche is, and you'll have that ready to go. So it's pretty powerful stuff. Now, I'll let you go through the whole sales page on your own. As you can see, they just spent a lot of money and a lot of time to make this look the best as it is. And also, I don't know my video is covering it, but if you use the coupon code SPOCK, so SPOCK, you'll get an additional $3 off this software. Now we'll go into the details and the pricing in just a second here. I'm just gonna go through the sales page for a second here and just let you know. So As you can see, it says now you can instantly create stunning ebooks and reports in 3 simple steps. So it's as simple as picking a template, as I showed you, picking an option to put in the content, and then just finalizing and generating it, and you're done. So it's very simple stuff, and they've done an amazing job there. Now I wanted to talk to you about the pricing and the upgrade options. So again, the main software is going to be sold for $47. That's going to be the main Scribble software, supplied with 50 templates, 60 if you include my bonuses as well. So 60 templates. And upgrade number 1, there is an upgrade number 1, which is the Pro edition of Scribble. This can only be picked up once if you pick up the main Scribble, and then the Pro edition will just add additional functionality. So the Pro edition basically gives you 150 more templates. So if you want to add even more templates, it'll give you 150 more templates. It'll give you a more enhanced content engine. It'll give you unlimited storage, so you can make as much as you want, and you can store as much as you want on their servers. And it'll give you thousands of images to edit the e-covers. It'll give you style layouts, so there'll be added customization and more. So that's upgrade number 1. Now there's upgrade number 2, which is Scribble Prime, and this is basically a membership club, which is going to give you a library of handcrafted niche templates for a whole year. So it's a one-time $47 for the Prime. You're not going to be paying a monthly fee on that, but for a whole year, every single month, they're going to be adding new handcrafted templates for you. That's Scribble Prime. Now upgrade number 3 is Scribble Fantasia 3D, and this is a 2-in-1 software. So first off, it's going to bring your ebooks and reports to life with the 3D ebook generator that I just basically showed you at the end there. And it's also going to give you an interactive flipbook creator. So I'm not going to go through that because it takes a little more time to set that up. I don't want to have this video go for like an hour, but that's really cool as well. It basically allows you to click on one corner of the page and flip the page, so it looks like you're actually sitting on a desk and reading the PDF. It's pretty cool, and that's what you're going to also be able to do with your PDFs if you pick up upgrade number 3. Now upgrade number 4 is an auto job finder. So with this revolutionary software, it's going to allow you to automatically get endless clients and freelance jobs from multiple sources with just a few mouse clicks, and this is very powerful as well, and that's something as well. And another thing that I forgot to show you inside was they also have a section where you can manage your clients. So if you're actually going to be selling these reports to clients and stuff like that, you can actually store their information in the actual place. So as you can see, there's a section here that says clients. Now ignore the auto job finder and the flipbooks and the other stuff, because that is the upgrades. It's not going to be available in the main product, but this is going to be, which is you could basically just write, if you're doing a client business, you can write their name, their email, their contact, their price, and all the actions. You can also basically have that saved inside the Scribble software. And then there's some basic training showing you exactly what I just showed you. They'll be showing you it again in the training and just explaining exactly how to use this Scribble software. Okay, so that is what you're going to be getting, and those are the upgrade options. Again, upgrade number 1, the Pro edition, is $97. Upgrade number 2 is $47. Upgrade number 3 is $77, and upgrade number 4 is $197. Now, it is set up like this. The way JVZoo, the platform this is being launched on, works is that you have to buy the main product to go ahead. I know you have to buy the upgrade number 1 to go to upgrade number 2. If you don't buy upgrade number 1, you just get taken out of the whole funnel. That just means you're not interested, which I find pretty weird, but that's just the way how it's set up. So if what I actually do to solve that is that once you make your purchase, if let's say you want to get upgrade number 3, you don't want to get 1 and 2, or you want to get upgrade number 4, you don't want to get the first 3, the way I make it possible is that in my backend bonus delivery area, I have individual links to each of the sales pages for these upgrades, so you won't have to pick up every single one to get to that one upgrade. I make it easy for you guys, and I basically allow you to go straight to those upgrade options. And this is going to be available in the backend. I have a whole bonus delivery page, and on that it's going to give you an option to pick up each of those upgrades individually. So if you don't want to pick up upgrade number 1, you want to pick up upgrade number 3, you can do that from that backend. But I want to say that I think the upgrade options are limited time, so once you get into the backend, you want to do that really quickly, because eventually the prices will be rising. So this is going to be the lowest price that's being sold at during the launch week, and after that I believe the launch week ends, I think the upgrade options are going to be at a higher price point. So the main software again is $47, which is Scribble. So that basically is my whole review on the whole Scribble software. This was a longer video than my usual ones because I did want to do a full demo on the Scribble software and everything. In my opinion, I really like the upgrade options. I would definitely go for upgrade number 3. And if you find value in more templates, you like to just have that work done for you, and those additional options, you might want to pick up the Pro Edition as well, which is upgrade number 1. The Prime and the Auto Job Finder, I basically may not pick up. I'm just satisfied with the other stuff, so that's what I would basically go for. Okay, so that's basically my whole opinion on Scribble. I highly recommend it. The vendors behind this fully back their products. They've always done 7-figure, 8-figure launches. They have a great dedicated team of support, so it's not like you're gonna be picking this up, it's not gonna work a couple days later. That's totally not the case with this. These guys are the real deal, and that's why I was happy to bring this to you guys and do this review for you guys. I hope you learned exactly what you needed for the software. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the YouTube comment box down below, and I'll be happy to reply as soon as I can. Okay, without that, Scribble gets my 100% approval. Click the link in the video description to head over to my blog review, and then click any of these active links and you'll get taken to Scribble. Make sure you click on these active links and don't just go to the sales page, because then you won't get my custom bonus package, which is going to help a lot, make this whole software and this whole package much more worth it, because I'm going to be showing you a lot of cool things that are just not in the actual software right now. Okay, so that is it for my Scribble review. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video review.